Hi, and welcome back to RH2 Racing. Today we're going to take care of a couple little nagging things on Project Miata, one of which is the little bushings that are up underneath here on the arms. This headlight keeps flexing a little bit as I'm going down the road, which definitely is not a good thing. And also we're going to get rid of the mousetrap. Got to remove these two bolts, one on either side. They're 17 millimeters, so let's go ahead and do that. So now that's all that's left on this is just to replace the bolt that was in here for the seat belt. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. There you go, almost a stock look. Back to it again until we get that hard dog bar installed. Hard dog racing, in my opinion, is probably the best roll bars that you can get for the money, and that's what we're going to be going for before we go racing. Now, installing these bushings shouldn't be that difficult. They're just a press-in fit. The problem is it's up underneath the headlight assembly. Never done this before, but let's see what we can do about getting these installed. This is going to stop this headlight from being all sorts of loose and moving all around. With that, it's kind of hard to see, but the piece we're going for is this piece right here. It looks like it's just held on there with the two ends just pressed in. So what I'm planning on doing is just using a flathead screwdriver and see if I can just get them to pop right out. Hopefully that's all it takes. If not, we'll have to go to plan B. Yeah, that came out real easy now. Something I wasn't really thinking about is as soon as you get this off of here, this headlight's going to want to droop. So you're going to want to have something that's going to hold it up too while you're doing it. So let me get a piece of wood or something. So stick a piece of 2x4 in there for right now. That should serve it well for what I need. Now to try to get this top one off here. Yeah, that seems to work real good. Just take a pair of pliers and kind of twist it a little bit and it pops right out. That is assuming that your bushings are as terrible as mine, and as you can see, these are pretty manky. And here is the part number. If you want to go, this is actually a genuine Mazda part, NA01-51-SA5. Should just pop right on there. Might take a little bit more effort than the other one coming off. Maybe not a lot more effort. pretty good, but not something that's impossible, that's for sure. Alright, that is about it, at least for that side. It doesn't pop on, it doesn't clip on, it's just kind of on. Once it goes on there, it's just kind of there, but you'll know it's there because it won't fall off. It will twist, that's what it's made to do, but beyond that, it's not falling off. And now this thing's nice and tight. Get a better shot of that. But this thing's nice and tight, not going anywhere, not flopping around like it was before, that's for sure. So, no more floppy headlights. Alright, let's go over all these steps again, in case you weren't paying attention, or now you realize how easy it is and you want to start doing it yourself. Take out the 4 screws that hold the shroud. Drop one into your engine bay like that. Take the shroud off. It's real easy, you just grab it from the bottom here. Just kind of pop it from the back. Get it around front here, and just drop it down. Not real hard. Next thing, don't forget you're going to want to have something like a 2x4 to hold the light up. When you take it off, this whole assembly will droop, so you definitely don't want that. The part we're taking off is right here. You can see that on that side. This is the bar that we're going to be removing. It attaches down here. Get a look there. One day we'll get this shot. Alright. It attaches right down here on one side. Attaches up here, we can't see. On the other side, it's just the same thing. Might be able to get it a little bit. And like I said, the easiest way I found was just to take a pair of channel locks, something like these, grab a hold of it, and just twist it, and it should pop it right off. We'll see if this side comes off as easy as the other side. Underneath here to support it. Keep in mind that this headlight's not moving at all, but I figure while I'm in here I might as well replace both of them. Kind of like headlights. You gotta go in there and replace one, you might as well replace both of them. There we go. That's one side. Right off. There you go. Everyone bites the dust. Got the new one going in there. make sure you go in there and move it around a little bit, make sure it's on there. It's not coming off or anything, but nice and solid. Look at that. So now all we have to do is put the shroud on. Just slide it in here like this. You're going to notice it has little grooves here. Make sure you're getting that. Yeah, you got like a little groove that sticks up in there all the way around. You'll know you're in there good when you actually line up the holes. And there you go, there's number 2. Nice and rock solid. All together, I forgot how much those bushings cost, but they are really inexpensive. So anybody with floppy headlights, you need to do this. It's dangerous to have them flopping all around. It blinds people, and it's super simple to do. Thanks for joining us here at RH2 Racing. We definitely appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more fun stuff.